loves, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci feeling real sexy for summer. This hair is from Luvmehair. I'm gonna have everything linked below. I decided to put a little foam action in it because y'all know me, I normally like really big curly. I'm gonna just drop a picture of what this looks like in its natural state. So I love the versatility of this wig. I hope you guys enjoy. This is gonna be a super quick, very beginner friendly wig install. I like to keep them very easy. So let's just hop into the next clip where I share with you guys everything that comes with this wig. This is what the box looks like. It normally comes with a cute little bow, but my toddler always steals it. They do give you some, oh, this is the bow. They do give you some goodies. You get a hair tie that I'll use. They did give us a wig cap, a edges brush, and this is a packet telling you how to care for your hair, the specs, how to do a return if you need to do that. And then they give you a cool mirror. So this is my second one. Super excited. This is just easy to keep in your purse. Nothing too major. So we're gonna be using this, okay? I wanna tell you guys, I did bleach the knots. The knots bleached beautifully. I do see some areas where the knots didn't bleach, but I didn't have much bleach left. This is what the original texture looks like. Air dried, no product. The lace is super soft. It's giving melted, which is nice. I wanna show you guys the inside of this cap. Look at this nape area. I absolutely love this. It's kind of like a rubber, kind of like a sticky rubber. So I love that. Like when I say I am here for this, I don't like the little holes at the back of the neck or the flower pattern. So this, I need every wig to look like this from now on, okay? Nice construction when it comes to parting space, just so you guys are able to see. Because recently, a lot of the wig companies have been kind of skimping on these little side parts, but you can see it's got a lot of textures going on. So I'm gonna just briefly slip it on my head. I do have my hair, you saw it, pinned back. So this is what it looks like. Looks good. It's a bit thick. I probably should have plucked it, but I didn't. Okay. So let's get this shit. You guys can see I don't have a blow dryer, or I choose not to get it. This stuff dries really fast. Lace wise, it's actually a nice lace, easy to work with because you can barely see it, but granted I do still know that it's here, you know, it's on my head, but super easy to work with. All right, so I'm gonna just take a razor comb, and I always have problems with this. I see women cutting it off so easily, and I'm just like, good for you, because I'd be afraid I am going to cut all of my hair off. So I really be trying. So I do think cutting it downwards like this is easier. Huh. That actually made cutting it so much easier. So let me just show you guys some parting space really quickly. You do have a bunch of parting space and it is all around, okay? But I'm gonna go with the traditional middle part. It's got a lot of volume, but I would say it's probably like a 150 type of density. So if you wanted it, you know, fuller, definitely do know to do that. But let me go get the mousse because we're about to mousse her up. So I really do like the hair at the stage it is now. I think it's gorgeous, but we are gonna just put a little bit of this Nairobi, just so you guys can see the fullness. Nairobi. A normal person would hot comb the middle part, but sometimes I don't be having time, energy for any of that. I really like this mousse because it doesn't leave the hair hard and crunchy. It, you know, leaves it with some texture, but it doesn't leave it like hard and crunchy. So I'm not gonna put it all over the hair. I'm gonna put it enough on the hair. Then we're gonna go in with our Denman brush. So you guys, this is what the hair looks like fully submerged in the Nairobi hair foam, which I absolutely love. I really do enjoy this wig. I would say the pros is it's a gorgeous hair texture. I love the parting space that this wig allots, and I like the versatility of the poofy hair versus the super sleek curly hair. I feel like this would be easy to straighten because some women do like to straighten their curly hair. I'm not for that. I just like to get me a straight wig whenever I want to have a straight hair day. I'm really feeling this. This is like a deep wave texture kind of thing. Not too loose, not too kinky where I'm afraid that I'm gonna get some, oh, I have foam still on my hands. Not afraid where I'm gonna get some napping in the back, you know what I mean? Some women say that their wigs don't last, and I think that your problem might be you're wearing them for too long at a time. It's not your hair. Even though you're gonna treat it as such, it's not growing out of your scalp. You know, you're not gonna have a problem with your hair tangling if you don't wear it all the time. I normally take my wigs off at nighttime, and I feel like the easiest way for me to do that is through this kind of hairspray. I take it off with water and everything's perfect. So if you want your wigs to last you the most, do minimal. Like, the less work, the better. You know what I mean? A lot of these wigs don't require nothing but water, maybe a little bit of foam, but we do these extravagant hair care routines and wonder why our wigs are not lasting for that long, and it's because you're doing too much. So try to keep your everything to a minimum, and I swear your wigs are gonna last you for more than 6 months. You know, I have all my wigs. I still have all of my wigs, and all of my wigs are still ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed. I absolutely love this. Everything's gonna be linked below, even the hairspray, in case you guys are interested. I think that this is super gorgeous. It's been a long time since I've worn a wig. I've been wearing my real hair, as you guys can tell, and I'm really here for it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.